Hello friends, welcome to AM Technology. Now I will going to show how to create database and table in SQL Server. First of all, go to search and open SQL Server Management Studio, and then log in your server. I'm logging my local database. After that, go to database, then right click new database. Then you can see database name and input your database name. Here I input my database name AMT, then click OK. Now create done your database. Refresh, you can check this one. Then now I will going to show how to create a table. Then table, then new table. Wait a second. Then you can see the column name, data type. I am now creating simple table. First input ID, data type integer, name, you can barker, and then cell number, cell, you can data type integer, numeric, or you can use barker also. Then address, barker, then remarks. Then click Ctrl+S, means save. Then I'm my simple table name, then EMP info, then click OK. Now my database and table create done. You can see now I'm inputting some sample data. Wait a second. Then input ID, name, just dummy information, cell number, address, and one more information, ID, name, and others information. After complete, then you can check this one, simple query, then new query. Then firstly select your database, then select star from your table name emp.info, then execute. Then you can see your input information. If you want to learn more about SQL Server, please comment below and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.